So the question is, let gx equals to log of x and fx equals to 1 minus x cos x upon 1 plus x cos x, then integration of minus pi upon 4 to pi upon 4 g of fx dot with x equals to, these are the option. This will equals to, okay, these are the option. So we have to find the correct option. So let's see the solution of this. So the solution is g of fx. There is g of fx. We have start from here. G of fx is equals to g, and this will be the fx. So we will put fx inside this gf. So g, and this is like x for the g. So we will put this 1 minus x upon cos x, this part here. Okay. Now g of fx means g of fx equals to log of x. Okay, log of x. So we put this fx as x here. That's why this is ln 1 minus x cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Now we will take as I equals to minus pi upon x, this part as I, minus pi upon 4 to pi upon 4 g of fx. Okay. Now we will put minus pi upon 4 fx of log n g of fx. See the g of fx now? This part, g of fx. See g of fx. So we will put here at the g of fx. We will put this part, and we will consider as a equation 1. And we know the property that a of b fx equals to a of b f a plus b minus x. Okay, this is the property we have to remember, and we will use this property here. I equals to minus pi upon 4 to pi upon 4 ln 1 plus x cos x upon 1 minus x cos x. How is it possible? Because this is like minus ln minus ln. This will be minus ln. A minus always goes to here, this part. And this will be minus 1. This will be minus 1. Then after this, after going from here to here, okay, because this is log, property of log, and this will come inside this. Okay. And this will change, like it plus, this is minus, so it will take this plus and this will make it minus, property of log. Okay, and we will consider as this is equation 2. And now adding 1 and 2, this is 2i. After adding equation 1 and 2, the minus pi upon 4 log n 1 plus x cos x upon 1 minus x cos x plus 1 minus x cos x upon 1 plus x cos x dx. Okay, and minus pi upon 4 minus pi upon 4 to pi upon 4 ln 1 plus x cos x 1 minus x cos x dot 1 minus x cos x 1 plus x cos x. This is the property of log. Log ab equals to a plus b log a plus log b. This is log a plus this is log b. That's why this is ab. Okay, and 2, and this will be like log of 1. After applying this property, this will be like this, and this is log of 1, because cancel by this, cancel by this, this cancel by this. Okay, so this will be 1. Answer will be log 1, and log 1 is 0. Okay.